This stander can easily be assembled by one person. Let's get started. Take everything out of the box and place the mast on the floor like this. If you ordered a gas spring lockout, it will be shipped in the locked position. Pull the lock out and turn to unlock. Depress the foot pedal to allow the mast to become vertical. Remove the bag of hardware from the wheelbase. This contains bolts and washers for assembly. Turn the wheelbase over and line it up with the short end towards the foot pedal. Start all 4 bolts with the washers. It's important that you don't tighten these 4 bolts until they've all been started. After they've all been started, then tighten the bolts securely. Now turn the unit over and place it on its wheels. You may want to lock the casters down for ease of installation in the upcoming steps. If you ordered the calf pad with a knee strap, slide it up on the legs and tighten it down. If you ordered the adjustable calf pads, insert them into the inside of the clamp on the legs and tighten them down securely. If you ordered the multi-adjustable knee pads, insert them into the outside of the clamp on the legs and tighten securely. If you have the platform foot plate, attach it to the legs here and tighten securely. If you ordered the multi-adjustable foot plates, attach them onto the legs with the ratchet handles to the outside. Tighten the ratchet handles securely. If hip supports were ordered, insert them into the bracket behind the pelvic pad and tighten securely. Insert your lateral into the bracket behind the upper body support pad and tighten securely. Depress the foot pedal and bring the stander into the vertical position. Since there is no weight in the unit, you may have to apply pressure. If you did not order the multi-adjustable tray, your tray bracket will look like this. Simply slide the tray into the bracket until it locks into place. The multi-adjustable tray bracket looks like this. It requires the 2 screw knobs that are found in the parts bag. Loosen the knob under the adjustable tray and extend the tray. Then place it onto the brackets and tighten the knobs securely.